At emBlue, we know the importance of knowing our customers better in order to have more relevant and personalized conversations. That's why we set out to improve the customer experience with a new feature in our platform that will provide you with more powerful segmentation and analysis tools. You will be able to see 3 major segments that we named Personalized Segments, Recipes in Blue, and E-commerce segments. These segments are 100% dynamic. They are updated, renewed, and feedback according to the behavior of each customer on your website or virtual store, and with each interaction they have with your brand. Unlike the groups that you upload in your contact database that have static data of your customers. Now, what will you find in each of the segments? With custom segments, you will be able to create user groups from scratch according to different parameters or filters that you choose. For example, the company. It wants to salute its most loyal customers who are celebrating their birthdays this month and offer them a special discount on products in the sneakers section. So, create a new segment. Choose custom segments and start selecting the criteria to segment in the filters. For example, country. Select that they are customers from Argentina, Colombia, and Chile. Tags, that they have visited sections in your store with the tag sneakers. Status, select only frequent customers. Happiness, choose promoters. And finally, that their birthday is in March. And with all this information, put together a personalized segmentation, and then in Actions you can send a special. Communication to build customer loyalty on their birthday via email, SMS, or push notification. On the other hand, we add Recipes in Blue. This is a segmentation that feeds back on the intelligence of our platform in data analysis. And behavioral pattern detection. We suggest recipes with predefined segments for your specific business that allow you to streamline and facilitate the management of your contact base. Continuing with the Sport Now example, the platform suggests a recipe that you can't miss: last purchase in 30 days. You can modify it by duplicating the recipe and adjust the filtering parameters by choosing, for example, only customers from Argentina, and create another segmentation with customers from Chile, and thus carry out specific marketing actions for each region. Finally, we add the e-commerce segments that will allow you to create segments based on the integration with your e-commerce. The most valuable aspect of this section is that you can segment according to the RFM of each customer. What is RFM? It is recurrence, frequency, and mobility. Average purchase for each user. Let's look at our Sport Now example, which creates a new segment and selects the low RFM option. This allows you to quickly manage an upselling or cross-selling campaign to increase the ARPU of these customers. Additionally, you can segment according to Unicommer's own variables, such as who bought in the last month, whether they bought in the sneakers or t-shirts category, or those customers who chose a specific language in your store. The possibilities are endless. Can you imagine the potential of having all this information at the click of a button? Customer data is a super important asset for the personalization and design of your contact strategy. Try emBlue's dynamic segments and connect with your customers like never before.